Good morning, traders. It's Friday, June 5th at 4:15 a.m. All right, we've got economic news today with non-farm payrolls. That's usually a big one, so we can expect some volatility around 8:30. Also, unemployment rate as well. Okay, so I've got two stocks for you today. We've got Lulu, which got an earnings crush, and we've got SAP, which is on a tear. So let's go ahead and look at the largest trades in the last month here. On Lulu, these are smaller ones, 200K, 50K, all of that. But look at this. This is a downward trend. And so there's prints coming down here on the bottom, and it starts rolling up a little bit. We have increasing volume breaking above prints. That's a decent swing entry for retracement on the upside. Getting closer to earnings up here around the 133 level, we see prints coming in, coming back, testing the print, increasing volume, closing below the print here, and then testing the print here right into earnings. So that's a dark cloud cover, increasing volume, look at that, and then blowing through all of these trades in the last month, moving down. So we can assume this was selling here. And so let's go ahead and map this out on both sides. We are going to be bullish above 111 and a quarter. There's the 50 simple moving average there. 112, 113, 114, 115, 20 is S3. Then I've got 116, 117, 118, 54 just up to this print. If we make it up there, you can see that's a 200 exponential, 200 simple. We've got all of this mess here. I've stopped here at that print. So we are going to be bearish below 109, and that's coming up here. I was bearish below originally 109.87, but we're testing that. So what can happen is this can come down, retest, and start moving down a bit, but we've got some volume coming in now at the moment. So 109, 108, we'll do this by dollar level. 109, 108, 107, 106, 105, 104.54 is S5. If this continues, you have the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average running down together like you see this, the red and the blue. If that's continuing, there's no reason to get out of the trade. So this is a big downward move. There'll probably maybe be some profit taking or people who were long, so it might bounce a little bit and then continue lower. So we'll see. So you're mapped out on both sides for a retracement to the upside and a continuation to the downside. So let's go ahead and look at SAP. This one has a different sort of view. In the last month, we can see here 200K, 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 800K over here. So let's see. Going back to May 7th, we had a large print testing the 50 simple moving average. On the way down, we got some more prints. Then we had a nice hammer here after a high volume, oh, there's a red candle here. High volume hammer started moving up through the prints, back, inverted hammer testing the prints, moving up. There's a good swing day. This is a great setup here. I always call this out for swing trading. Increasing volume, closing above prints. Look at that's a really good move. This one moved up, back to test. That's a 15 simple moving average back to the prints. Now we're off to the races. This one's looking a bit choppy the way that it's trading. But anyway, we've got a trade to the upside and a short retracement trade. So let's go ahead and look at that. So here's the pre-market on the left-hand side. So we're going to be bullish above 196, target 197.50, 199.83. Then we've got 202.50, 205.31 is R4. The ATR on this one is about $7.42. Okay, on the downside, we're going to be bearish below 192.50. We've got this cam right here at 192.62, so we probably maybe break below, test it, and then continue down a little bit. So 192.50 target, 190.75 here is this R1. Then we've got 190.15, 188.87 is a retracement back to the pivot here. So we've left that, and then because look at this, we've got another cam, 50 simple moving average, 200 exponential moving average, and we've got the post-market support that's right here. So I've stopped right here because this would be a chop fest with support. Okay, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, and subscribe. And also, we have our weekly dark pool report. You can sign up at mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report. These are for swing trades. 13 stocks we cover every week, including SPY, QQQ, IWM, do a market commentary, and you get the actual charts with the bullish above, bearish below levels, so you can actually see how these work out, and you get a little watch list. So yeah, we've subscriber base is growing quite nicely, so that's great. People are enjoying the newsletter, so hopefully you will too. Happy trading, everyone, and we will see you Monday. Moby Tick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.